Hey everyone, my name is Carlo. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, it's going to be super special because it won't be about sneakers. It's kind of like tech, it's kind of life, because today we're unboxing a car. Yes, a car. This is going to be my unboxing and overview and checking out the tech of the new Geely Azkarra. Interested? Let's go. By the way, if you want to show this video some love, all you have to do is to give it a thumbs up down below, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and while you're at it, check out Geely Philippines on Facebook as well as Instagram. The links to all of the socials can be found in the description box. So as promised, we're here to unbox and check out, and I'll give you guys an overview of the new Geely Azkarra. It's a mild hybrid SUV that looks ridiculously dope and premium for the price that you're paying for it. It sells, I think, for a little over 1.5 million, but the features that you get, the looks that you get, and the technology that you get is something that you normally don't find in cars in this price range, or at least in my experience. Come along with me, let's check it out. So this is the Geely Azkarra, and as you guys can see just by taking a look at the front, it has that sleek, sporty look mainly because it has a sedan vibe if you look at it from the front. It has a massive grille up front, which is, I think they're calling the Cosmos grille over here, of course with the Geely logo over there. And then if you take a look at the hood, you have clean lines moving from the front to the back. If you move over to the side though, that's when it starts to feel like more like an SUV. It resembles an SUV mainly because of this top and how big and the bulk that it has, and also the bigger wheels. It's also not just the wheels, because if you take a look at it, the mags also look kick-ass, and of course you have higher road clearance, which is a must, especially now that we're entering the flood season here in the Philippines. Now typically if this was a normal car review, we would spend most of our time talking about what's under the hood. And speaking about that, it has a 3-cylinder 1500 turbocharged hybrid engine. But like what I said earlier, what makes it special is all the thought and effort and resources that were put into making the inside, the actual riding cabin, just as good as what's under the hood. In fact, if not better. Now, the most striking thing the moment that you enter the car is not actually what you see, but what you smell. Because the leather on this bad boy is actually premium Napa leather. So not like any of those cheap plastic things that you normally find in value cars. So this over here, from the car seats to the edges, even the handle of the door looks expensive and premium. Even the brushed like aluminum finish on this just looks amazingly well done, as you can see also over here. But what really amazes me about this car is how digital savvy it is. This massive screen, this massive infotainment display here at the dashboard is very versatile. Apart from being able to show your usual entertainment controls such as music and radio, it can also take advantage of the panoramic cameras around the car. If you press this button over here, it toggles the camera view. So you have different kinds of views that you can take advantage of from the 4 cameras around the car. You have 2D view, which is my favorite. You have 3D if you want to feel like, you're playing a game and you want to take a look at the car in different angles, and you have multiple views as well, taking advantage of the 4 cameras of the car. Now let's say you want to sync up your phone with the display and you want to watch movies in it. You can actually connect via your USB cable. There is a USB port down there, and it will automatically show what's in your phone on the display of your phone to the massive infotainment screen over there, using the Easy Connect or Easy Connection technology built in on the Geely Azkarra dashboard. So if you want to watch movies, press YouTube, press play, do it in landscape mode, and it should be playing over there. You can amp up the volume, lower it, increase it depending on your taste, and you or your family can enjoy watching while you are driving. So it's not just for entertainment or for watching videos. This actually acts as some sort of display for the different remote control functions of the car. So if you turn over here, you have a knob, and this one sets the drive mode of the Geely Azkarra. So there are 4. You have off-road over here. You can also set it to comfort, which is the middle one. You can set it to eco, which actually kicks in the hybrid mode of the car, or you can actually set it to off-road. So all you have to do is to pick one and then press down on the knob, and it will enable the function. So this time we're using comfort, but again, you can shift it to sport. Turns red. Also highlights what are the functions that are working the most, off-road. And then you also have eco. So you press down on eco. As you can see, it's really the engine working with the battery for the hybrid mode of the car. Now you're probably thinking what the eco mode is all about. So when the battery gets charged as you are moving, it actually helps with the overall efficiency of your drive. So it's that fuel efficiency that makes the eco or mild hybrid mode of the car more appealing. So if that's something that you want in a car, then you might want to check out, again, the different offers of Geely, including the Geely Azkarra. 2 more things, which are my wife and my favorites of the car. We have a wireless charging plate over there. So if you put your phone, it will wirelessly charge. And we have a massive sunroof. And I say massive, it stretches all the way to the back. If you're wondering about the back of the car, all you have to do is to press it once and it will automatically go up, as it reveals a very spacious cabin here at the back, so you can put all the stuff that you want, be it, I don't know, like bags or clothes or whatever supplies that you need to survive like a zombie apocalypse. And then if you want to close it, just tap once and it will automatically close. So guys, that's actually it for our unboxing and overview feature of the Geely Azkarra. So all this tech for 1.5 million plus, which is the price tag of the Geely Azkarra. Guys, I invite you to check the car out for yourself by checking out the Geely Philippines Facebook page or Instagram, or better yet, drop by their dealership. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.